Let's get serious. Now, Dr. Jeff Healy is a board-certified plastic surgeon and the first in Hawaii to have a revolutionary new way to deal and get rid of cellulite. Now, doctor, when people say cellulite, you know, we always know about it, but if someone's tuning in, what is the exact definition? What is cellulite, doctor?
Sure, Taizo. So cellulite's actually a very common problem. One study said that 85% of women in the U.S. have cellulite.
Wow.
And it's basically a fibrous band that's underneath the surface of the skin, and it connects that undersurface and pulls the skin down to cause kind of a cratering or dimpling in the skin. So that kind of cottage cheese appearance that people get in their thighs and buttock region is what cellulite is.
And you know, we talk about this, and there's really no age. I mean, it can be anybody. There's no age discriminating factor, but you could be young, you could be older. I mean, it hits anybody, right?
Right. It can start young. Genetics play a role in it, but you know, all age groups can be affected by cellulite.
Now, the great thing about you, doctor, is you have this new Cellfina. Am I saying this right?
Correct, Cellfina.
What is this? Because it's a buzz, and you guys are the first to bring it to Hawaii, and we're really excited about it. What is it, sir?
Right. Cellfina is a very exciting new technology. As you mentioned, we're the first and only practice in Hawaii to have it. And it uses a proprietary technology to actively address the underlying structural cause of the cellulite. So it is able to stabilize the tissue, so very precisely target the areas where the cellulite dimples are located. And then the device goes in and releases those bands so the skin will elevate and smooth out, and so it's treating the underlying cause.
Wow. You know, when you talk about this, and we're seeing some visuals here, but doctor, who would be the ideal candidate for this modality, this process?
So Hawaii is the best place in the world to have it, actually, because our culture is centered on the beach and the outdoors, so people are often wearing shorts and swimsuits. They want to look good when they go to the beach. So the ideal candidate is any woman who has moderate to severe cellulite, the dimpling that causes maybe them to be self-conscious about wearing shorts or a swimsuit. That is the ideal person.
Yeah.
So.
And then the process itself, doctor, I mean, how long does it take? I mean, coming to see you guys is so easy, but one time only, how's the process?
Right, so that's what's really exciting about it. It's a one-time treatment, long-term results. The studies show that at 2 years after treatment, the patient satisfaction rate is 96%.
That's amazing.
So it is amazing. The treatment itself, it only takes about 45 minutes, depending on how much cellulite we're treating. Very quick, very simple. Go home, go about your normal activities, go back to work the next day. It's really simple.
Doctor, for you, what is it like for you to be able to have something as amazing as this, you know, first in Hawaii, but when they come in and they, you know, the results, I mean, how does that make you feel as a doctor to see these results?
Makes me feel great, because for years, patients have been asking me, doctor, what can I do about my cellulite? And up until now, I didn't have a good answer for them. There's lots of lotions and wraps and some laser treatments that claim to treat cellulite, but to be honest with you, they're not effective. They just don't work. And so this is the technology that works, long-lasting results, so we're very excited.
I love it. Oh, I mean, speaking of excited, though, if anybody wants to, you know, get more information, you got something coming up, right, that we can talk more about this, right?
So this Wednesday evening from 6 to 8 p.m. at our office, we're actually having an open house to educate the public about the Cellfina treatment. We will explain in depth how the technology works. We'll do some mini consultation to see if they're good candidates for it, and provide a lot of information. There'll be some prizes, giveaways, poo-poos, so a great event.
That's great. No, and it's a great event. Please, we'll have all the information. And doctor, I just want to throw a little curveball and ask you, because guys, I mean, guys have cellulite too, right? I mean, is it something that if a gentleman out there, could they call you and find out information?
They could. We'd be happy to see them. It's much more common in women, just the genetics behind it and things like that, but we'd be happy to see anybody.
No, I'm so happy to thank you for, I mean, I want to know, because I have some friends, and to be honest with you, I need some work myself, but to have something like this, and real quickly, pain threshold. What is it like? I mean, people always ask, oh, does it hurt? Does it hurt? No, this is not something that you should be concerned about.
Right. So we use a local numbing agent to numb up the area before we do it. So the actual treatment is pain-free.
I love it.
So it's really easy to tolerate. A little bit of soreness for a day or two afterwards, a little bit of bruising, but it's really easy to do, quick, efficient, and it works.
Quick, easy, efficient, and like you said, the results amazing and so great. Oh, doctor, thank you so much for sharing this. We're so blessed to have you bringing this to Hawaii. And again, get down to that event, and this is groundbreaking. First in Hawaii, and glad to be a chance to be a part of it. Oh, so cool. Now.